Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are super excited about all the new Disney movies, in case you can't tell. And so we are doing another Disney inspired slime today. I hope you guys saw our last Toy Story inspired slime. It was actually a Woody inspired slime, and at the time that we made the video, it was the only Woody slime on YouTube. So I can't guarantee it's going to stay that way. It's always going to be that way. But at the time, it was the only one. So today we are doing I'm really excited. So one of my favorite characters from the beginning of Toy Story was the little green aliens. So we're going to do a green alien version. And this is to go with the new Toy Story 4 movie, which if you visit our website, we have all of the inside scoop on the teaser trailers, all of the new photos that Disney releases. So you can check out all of the new movie information on our website. And make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss any of our slimes, because we still have a Buzz Lightyear slime coming. And we have the Army Men. We have a camo slime coming, you guys, and it's super, super cool. So, today we're going to do the little green aliens. You are going to need clear glue. As always, we use Elmer's. You are going to need baking soda, because we do borax-free slimes. Saline solution. You are going to need some green food coloring. I'm using a soap dye. This is in Kiwi. You will need a little bit of green extra fine glitter and a couple of googly eyes. Oh, and water. Can't forget the water. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your measuring glass. This is our slime measuring cup. And you are going to pour 5 ounces of clear glue. I think that's a little bit more than 5 ounces. Oh yeah, that's 6 ounces. I'll pour a little back. There we go, perfect. And we are going to dump that in. You can hear my camera in the background. Alright. Next, we are going to add half a cup of water. To our glue. And you're just going to mix that around. I'm going to try to get some of these air bubbles out. There we go. It's a little better. Alright, so you're going to mix it around until the water kind of breaks the glue down a little bit. And I didn't really rinse this bowl from the last slime we made because it was a green glitter slime, so you might see a little bit of the green in there. That's okay, because we're going to color it green right now. I'm going to do about 5 drops of Kiwi. You can use any coloring that you want, just like if you'd rather use borax for the slime, you can use borax. I go back and forth. Sometimes I use food coloring, sometimes I use paint, sometimes I use the soap dyes, sometimes I use pigment. It just kind of depends on the mood and what look I'm going for. Alright. There we are. Got the right alien green color. And then we're going to add in a little bit of glitter, because I add glitter to everything. There we go. We're going to give this a quick stir. Alright. Now, we're going to add our baking soda. Baking soda is going to determine the thickness of your slime. I add half a teaspoon to mine. You can add yours a little less and just add some at the end, but I wouldn't recommend going over half a teaspoon to begin with. After everything's said and done, if you feel like your slime's a little too runny or kind of falling faster than you would like, or hard to keep a hold of, you can add a tiny bit more, but I would do it sparingly. Alright, and then we're going to add your saline solution. Same thing. This is going to be used at your discretion. I start with a little less than a tablespoon. And this is going to be what makes your slime sticky or not. Sometimes with the coloring, especially if you use paint, you have to add a little bit more. You can see it's instantly starting to form. And sometimes I feel like if you give it a second to kind of rest, it will start working a little bit better. So no one wants their slime overactivated. So if you feel like you need to do a little bit more, I know we'll need a little tiny bit more. I would just give it a second. Here's my bowl. We're going to do a tiny bit more. Not much though. There we go. See how it's pulling away from the sides of the bowl? Alright, now I'm just going to pull it out. I'm going to knead it for a minute. And then we are going to finish up our Toy Story inspired alien slime. Okay, so our slime is kneaded. It's a really pretty green. I think it is a beautiful alien green. I'm going to move you over a little bit so you can kind of see it. Alright, now to finish our alien slime here, set your back. I have our slime containers, which I will link to these below for you, and then of course on our website. These are the best slime containers I've found, and they are the most inexpensive ones. And you're going to gather your slime. I'm going to put it in here. And once it's in there, you're going to take your googly eyes. I'm going to take 3. I'm going to set them in. The center. Ooh. Remember that part? That's like my favorite part. When they're all waiting for the claw. And there you go. Slide this over. This is your green Toy Story inspired alien slime. Super stretchy, super awesome color.